Hi everyone, Victoria from Credit Fix Solutions, and I'm back today with another great client success story, this time for client ID 7161. Now, our client came to us with a $2,044 banking default, and he was stuck because he could only access higher interest rates, and with his income he wasn't servicing for that higher interest rate, and the only way he could proceed with getting a loan approved was to remove the default so he could access lower interest rates that his income would then service. Now, luckily earlier on in the year we did get the default removed for him, and on top of that his score increased from 421 to 844. So there you go, another great success story at Credit Fix Solutions. Just in regards to our services, we only charge if and when successful. To refer to us, it's as easy as sending us a credit report. Get your credit reviewed today, get educated, get tips and tricks on how to improve and protect your credit files. And if you're a broker, get that file off your desk, get it to us here at Credit Fix Solutions. Let us assess it, let us educate your client and hand them back with the next best steps for their lending options. Thanks for listening.